Namaste. Welcome to our online Hindi class. In this course, we will be teaching you how to speak Hindi from the very basics. So let's get started. In today's class, we will learn the days of the week in Hindi through English. Let's begin. Now, let's go through each day one by one and learn how to pronounce them in Hindi. The first day of the week is Sunday, which is Ravivar in Hindi. Let's say it together. Ravivar. Sunday. Ravivar. Great. Now let's move on to Monday, which is Somvar in Hindi. Repeat after me. Somvar. Monday. Somvar. Excellent. Next, we have Tuesday, which is Mangalvar in Hindi. Say it with me. Mangalvar. Tuesday. Mangalvar. Wonderful. Moving on to Wednesday, it is Budvar in Hindi. Repeat after me. Budvar. Wednesday. Budvar. Fantastic. Now, Thursday is Guruvar in Hindi. Let's say it together. Guruvar. Thursday. Guruvar. Amazing job. Friday is Shukravar in Hindi. Say it with me. Shukravar. Friday. Shukravar. Well done. Lastly, we have Saturday, which is Shanivar in Hindi. Repeat after me. Shanivar. Saturday. Shanivar. That was excellent. You've learned all the days of the week in Hindi through English. Practice pronouncing them until you feel comfortable. Here's a quick recap of the days of the week in Hindi. Take a moment to review them. Sunday. Ravivar. Monday. Somvar. Tuesday. Mangalvar. Wednesday. Budhvar. Thursday. Guruvar. Friday. Shukravar. Saturday. Shanivar. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning the days of the week in Hindi. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language tutorials. Practice these phrases in your daily routine and try to use Hindi as much as possible. Also, visit our YouTube channel for more resources and practice exercises. Thank you for joining our class today, and please let us know if you would like to know any specific topics or statements which we will post in our next video. Until next time, Dhanyavad, thank you, and have a great day.